Welcome to Arcade Signal, your daily download for gaming and tech. Today is August 10th, 2025, and let's get started. Story 1. Rod Fergusson departs Blizzard. Rod Fergusson, longtime gaming industry veteran and most recently the general manager of Diablo, has officially left Blizzard Entertainment. Fergusson joined Blizzard in 2020 after a long stint at the Coalition, where he led the Gears of War franchise. His departure comes as Blizzard continues to navigate leadership changes following Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard. No word yet on his next move, but the industry will be watching closely. Story 2. Battlefield 6 beta tops Call of Duty in player numbers. According to early reports, the Battlefield 6 beta has drawn more players than the most recent Call of Duty beta. What's even more surprising is that the BF6 beta requires players to have Secure Boot enabled and EA's new anti-cheat system, Javelin, installed just to participate. This strong turnout could be a sign of renewed interest in the franchise, which has been chasing Call of Duty's market share for years. And now, let's take a look at the major games dropping the week of August 10th in our On the Horizon segment. Senua's Saga Hellblade 2 Enhanced Edition arrives August 12th as a free update for players on Xbox Series X and S, Xbox on PC, and Steam. On PlayStation 5, both the Standard and Deluxe editions launched the same day, including a remastered version of Hellblade Senua's Sacrifice. This enhanced edition adds a performance mode at 60 frames per second, though this option is not available on Xbox Series S, along with additional PC graphical upgrades. The game is also Steam Deck verified and will be available on Game Pass at launch. Echoes of the End, a third-person action-adventure developed by Myrkur Games and published by Deep Silver, also launches August 12th for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC. Set in a rich fantasy world, the game focuses on narrative-driven exploration and cinematic combat. Madden NFL 26 drops August 14th for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC, with cloud streaming available on supported platforms. Players who purchase certain editions will get 7 days of early access starting August 7th. This year marks the first time Madden is skipping last-gen consoles like PS4 and Xbox One, making it a true current-gen experience. That's it for today's Arcade Signal. Subscribe so you never miss your daily blast of gaming and tech news.